everybody, so this is the wig my mom brought from Sexy Hair. I believe it's 150% density transparent lace. This is the pre-customization, and she wanted me to dye it for her, so this is what it looks like after I completely dyed and customized the front. And we're just going to get straight into this install for Mother's Day. Okay, so hey y'all again, this is my mom Liz, and I'm going to be installing the wig using Bold Hold. I have the Skin Protect, the Lace Remove, and the glue itself. Right now I'm just spraying a little bit of the Skin Protect. I'm not doing the ball cap method just because that's doing a whole lot and we don't need that. So yeah, I'm just going to cover up her edges and put on 3 layers. So right now I'm putting a little bit of makeup on the cap, not her lace, just the cap. And then I'm going to go ahead in with 3 layers of the Bold Hold. And yeah, I'm sorry if my body ever blocks the camera at any point, like no. But trust me, you will be able to see what I'm doing. Just remember, we're using 3 layers and you have to wait till each layer dries clear before you add the next one. Alright, so now that the glue has dried, when we did our little dance break, I'm just going to be lining up the wig. Trust me, I'm moving a second. I'm really sorry, but I'm just trying to place the wig correctly, and now I'm trying to press it in with the comb. I don't know why my body is blocking the shot, excuse me, but you can kind of see it, like I'm moving a little bit. It's not going to be like this the whole video, but I'm just laying that lace into the glue, and then I'm going to tie that down and have it sit for a couple of minutes. So now this is what the wig looks like after I'm taking off the wrap. And I did go off camera and do the edges just because I wasn't sure how I wanted them, so I didn't want to spend like 20 minutes trying to get them right on camera. But this is what the hair is looking like so far. We will curl it and then do her makeup and get her all glam and ready. So now we're just sectioning off, well, I'm just sectioning off the hair. I'm splitting it in 2 and I'm working on 1/2 at a time. I'm just going to show you this, what you will see as the left half on your screen. And I'm going to be curling all of the pieces away from her face so that all the hair will fall in the same direction, and it will fall nicer than if I were to curl them in all different directions. And I'm using a curling wand for this. So just know that I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on the other half. I'm just going to go in the opposite direction. So if I were to curl that half this way, it would go towards her face and not away. So you just want to make sure that you curl all the pieces away from her face on whichever side that may be. so now we're getting into the soft glam, and here comes the body block. The body block. I'm so sorry, you guys, but you will be able to definitely see what I'm doing. Just wait for me to move out the way. Sorry. I'm using the Anastasia dip brow. I'm pretty sure this is the color dark brown, and an angle brush, and I'm just going to be lightly filling in her brows. I don't want them to be too dark, but I definitely want them to pop, okay? Because my mom really doesn't, she does her makeup, like she loves to do her makeup, but the way I do my brows and the way she does her brows is kind of different, so I just wanted to give them a little bit of more glam and definition, so that's what we're going with today. I also want to quickly mention that I'm not going to show the foundation process. I'm just going to show contour, eyeshadow, lips, things like that, just to save a little bit of time. Alright, so because this is my first time really doing my mom's makeup, I want to make sure that I consult her and use the correct shades that she uses. So I just asked her which contour shade would be best, and then I'm going in with my shoulder in the way, contouring her face and trying to get it all snatched or whatever, but I'm doing really subtle. The look we're going for today is more of the soft glam, and I don't want anything to be too harsh, so I'm just going to take my time blending it out and adding more as I go along instead of going in really heavy and then trying to blend. I'm taking that same contour shade and I'm just taking that to contour her nose softly. I'm dragging it up towards the eyebrows just a little bit, so that way when I do the eyeshadow it will blend a lot better. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, by the way, and I'm taking the darkest shade in this palette and I'm using that for the eyeshadow, and I'm just blending that out all over her lid, and then I will do the same to the next eye. We're going to do a very, 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 very subtle cut crease. So now I'm going in and adding blush. That is not a dirty clothes basket, by the way. That's clean clothes that I just have not folded. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just taking my mom's blush color and putting it on the apples of her cheeks. Now I'm going in, adding some mascara. I believe this is from It Cosmetics, and I'm just putting that lightly on because she's wearing glasses today, so we didn't do lashes. So I'm just popping on a bit of mascara for a bit of added dramatic effect. Now I'm just taking a brown eyeliner and I'm going to do like a very soft wing, and then I'm going to blend it out some so it's not so noticeable and it's more of a smoky look. Now I'm adding more of like a mauve nude tone lip liner, and then I will be putting this mostly on all over the lips, and then adding some Fenty lip gloss to top it off. Now I'm using the NYX High Glass highlighter. I sprayed my brush with a little bit of setting spray, and I sprayed her face as well. And now I'm just going to be going in with this until I'm satisfied with the amount of glow that we have. So now I'm going to be giving her one more final spray with the setting spray, and then we're going to brush out her hair and reveal what the final look is.
Makeup look? Oh my gosh, I love it. It is like everything is popping. Thank you, girl.
You're welcome, Mom. I love you.
Love you too. Mwah. Don't forget to click the button down below. Subscribe to her channel. Give this a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Mom Makeover.